Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot send message. MMS messaging needs to be enabled to send this message issue on your iPhone. So guys, if you are trying to send multimedia messages through your messages on your iPhone but you are unable to send messages, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you send multimedia messages through your mobile messaging app. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check your internet connection or change your internet connection from Wi-Fi to mobile data. So guys, turn on cellular data and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply enable MMS messaging on your device. So guys, for that, open settings and then scroll it below and go to apps. From here, then you have to scroll it below and go to messages. And once you're here, you will get the appearance like this. You will get different toggles to turn on, and here you will get the messaging or MMS messaging toggle. You have to simply turn it on if it is off. So guys, here you can see this. You have to simply turn on MMS messaging, and after this you will be able to send multimedia messages through this app very easily. And if you still face this problem, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply make sure that you are using the updated version of software and the application that you are using for messages. So guys, for that, go to Play Store and then search for messages and then download and install the latest version of messaging app on your device. So guys, do this and then go back to settings again, and then you have to go to general, then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply go to support app, and from here you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.